Okay, guys, this is going to show you how to get onto iRead using Launchpad. Now, like I said before, there are other ways to get and access Launchpad, but this is for me the easiest way that I can walk you through. You're going to first begin by going to fultonschools.org. And then this main homepage will pop up. Go ahead and click Students and Parents. You can hover over the tab, and you want to scroll all the way down to Resources. Then this is going to pop up. The area that you're going to really look in is right here where it says Area Students. This Launchpad is where we're working out of. Launchpad is a one-click login. So once students click in here, their lunch number is going to go right here. Right here is going to be their birthday. Please keep in mind their birthday must be that 8-digit number. For example, my birthday is July 28th, so I would type in 0728. And then for them, it'd be 2009 or 2010, working in that school year. Make sure that whole number is written out. I'm going to go ahead and log in so you can kind of see what this looks like. Keep in mind that a teacher's login is very different than a student's login. When you get there, you're going to have not as many apps, but you will have a few apps for your students. You're going to click this HMH Central. I know there was some confusion at the beginning of the school year because it didn't say iRead like it did last year, but it is still underneath this program, which is HMH Central. Once students click on that icon, they should not have to log in again. If they do have to log in again, that's okay. All it is their lunch number for the username, and their birthday is the password. I'm going to go ahead and click it. Mine will look different just because it's a teacher view. Right here, you will have a red and white box that says iRead. Go ahead and click on that app, and then it'll automatically bring you up to where you need to go. Again, you're going to start with fultonschools.org, Student and Parents, then click Resources, then click Launchpad. Once you get to Launchpad, you're going to log in with your username as your lunch number, and your password is your birthday. Then I'm going to come over here and click HMH Central, and then click my iRead icon. Students can complete 20 minutes of this. They really can complete it every day, but they can complete 20 minutes of it for their credit for their snow makeup day.